In this video, we're going to see how to share a folder from your Windows machine into the VirtualBox. Make sure you have the guest edition installed. I already have it installed, so I would get this error. But please make sure you have it installed. If you have not, please follow the earlier videos to check how to install the guest editions. On your Windows drive, create a new folder that you want to share inside the VirtualBox. I'm going to name it as WinShared. Let's go ahead and create a file in this folder so that we can make sure when we share this inside the VirtualBox, this is the same file. We have created now the folder on Windows with a file in it. Next, we will go ahead and create a folder on Ubuntu. Once you have the folder on Windows and you have the folder on Linux, we're going to bind them together. Copy the location of the new folder you created on Ubuntu in a notepad on Windows. Also copy the location of the folder you created on Windows and put it inside the same notepad. We would need both these locations when we create the bind mount. Let's go ahead and turn off Ubuntu to create the shared folder. To create the bind mount or share folder, go to Settings, Shared Folder, and create a bind mount as shown over here. You may opt to mount automatically by clicking on Auto Mount checkbox and then say OK. We have now successfully binded the folder on Windows and the Linux machine. Let's go ahead and do a quick test. Notice that you're able to access the file from inside Ubuntu. We will add new text over here and then try to access the same file from Windows. Notice that the changes we made inside Ubuntu is available even from Windows. Let's make again a change on Windows and see if it reflects in Ubuntu. Notice that this time instead of using the terminal, we are using the UI. Towards the end of this session, you would see how to manually mount and unmount. When you do that, you would not have to go through this multiple level of authentication, which is done as part of securing your Windows shared drive. We will now see how to unmount and mount manually. Say for example, you had not opted to mount automatically when creating the shared folder. This is the way you would manually mount and unmount the shared drive as and when required.